Hi everyone, it's Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else, coming to you with a Make It in Minutes video. This one is so much fun. Look at that. Looks so fancy and hard, but it's really super simple, and it'll come together pretty quick because I got everything cut and ready to go. So we're going to get started using the Good Feeling stamp set. We're going to be using the big one here, and I've already got that mounted using Flirty Flamingo. And then we're also going to be doing some accents with the iridescent rhinestones right here. I thought they matched perfectly. Look at that sparkle. You see that? Oh, I love it. So set those off to the side, and we're using our new ribbon. It is a trio combo pack, and the name will be in the blog post because I forgot it offhand. But we're going to be using the Lemon Lolly color to go with this. So we got 2 card bases, if you will, using our cardstock. The big one we're going to go ahead and fold on our score lines. Again, measurements and everything will be in a link in the description of this video. We're going to be putting creases in on our designer series cardstock, excuse me. So we're going to fold that in half, and then on our score lines, this one is at 1 inch, 2 1/4, 4 1/4, and 5 1/2. We're going to all fold them in towards the inside of the card. And the same thing with our other little piece here. This one's scored at 1/2 inch and 1 3/4, and then this one is going to look like that. Okay, now this is going to be the back of the card, and since this is going to fold up like this, we're going to put our designer series paper on here. So it's going to be our bigger piece. I'm going to be using the same designer series paper. It's called Hello Irresistible, and it's an online exclusive designer series paper. It comes 6 by 6 pieces, and it is still available. So we're going to be using that. The other side is just the plain bright sunny side, and then this one has the little bit of the design. So we're going to use this design for the back piece here, and then we're going to fold it, and in the middle one right here, I'm going to put a piece of designer series paper there, and then this one up here. So we're not going to put any designer series paper on the top piece, the second one, the middle one, and then we're going to leave this blank because this is the piece that sits on the bottom. You can always put designer series paper here. It's just the same size as that one. Now we're going to bring in these other pieces, and we're just going to lay them right on top like that. Okay, so now on this particular one, what we're going to do, this is the base, we're going to put glue on this top piece, and then we're going to fold on the second crease down, so it'll look like this. Okay, so I'm just going to add some glue, or use whatever adhesive that you like. Fold on the second fold line, and then lay it flat. Give it a good press. Okay, now I'm going to bring in my white pieces. On the smallest piece, we're going to go ahead and stamp our image using our Flirty Flamingo. This piece you can stamp on if you want to, but I'm just going to go ahead and add some glue and put it on the back side of the card. This is where you can sign it, put a little bit of a note. Next, we're going to adhere this to the front. The last step here, we're putting this card together here, is we're going to layer this right on the front of this, right here. So you want it to be flush with the edge of the card here. And I'm just going to eyeball it when I flip it over. I know I have, maybe about a couple inches to put my glue on. Okay, then I'm going to take and just center it on directly on top of this designer series paper. So now the last thing that we're going to do to get this on is we're going to fold it down like so. And in order to do that, we're going to go ahead and put glue on the top, this little 1/2" piece. We're going to do like we did before, fold it on the second fold line, score line, and then we're going to fold it up so that this edge matches the top of that card, like so. Okay, now while that's drying, I am going to bring in my cute, adorable little bow that I did before the video. We're going to add this with a glue dot. And then we're going to add on some rhinestones. Pretty quick, pretty simple, a lot of fun. This is our Take Your Pick tool. This is Kayla's favorite tool. And there we have it, guys. See, look, pretty quick. I love it. All right, so there is that one. I'll bring in our other one from earlier. My bow is a little bit tighter on the other one, but that's okay. All right, perfect. So, as you can see, I did put Designer Series paper down here. This one I did not because, you know, why? Because it's going to be sitting like that. So if you have any questions, please let us know. And then also, if you did like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so that you'll know when we post new videos. Plus, if you would like weekly card inspiration and 5 free tutorials, make sure to join our newsletter. You can find all the links and information below in the description. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.